Dwi wedi cael ymateb gan Fwrdd Iechyd Betsy Cadwaladr yr un llythyr nes i sgwennu ar ôl y cyfarfod cyhoeddus na yng Caergybi chydig wythnosau nôl lle nath pobl godi pryderon nhw am effaith colli meddygon teulu yng Caergybi a'r ffaith bod 2 surgery wedi cael ei roi yn nwylo y Bwrdd Iechyd. These responses that I've had show, I think, that it was very, very useful to have that public meeting, and the way that all of you spoke at that public meeting, raising your concerns in a serious, in a measured way, that I was then able to pass on to the Health Board, was worthwhile. What we have is an explanation, and I'll post links to the letter so you can see for yourself. We have steps being taken now to recruit doctors right now, temporary doctors. We have a plan to bring the 2 surgeries together and to do so quickly. But we also have that vision that you all called for in Holyhead, that I very much support, of building up a new modern 21st century primary care system in Holyhead and around. And I think the fact that people spoke so clearly at that meeting meant that the Health Board had to take things seriously. A lot of this is down to things that should have been resolved years ago. Labour have been running the health service in Wales for 20 years. Now, when Plaid Cymru say we need 1,000 new doctors, 5,000 new nurses, we've been saying this for a long time. It's lack of action, lack of urgency that has led us to the point where we have now these pinch points, and it's affecting people's lives in Holyhead. But as I say, there is positivity in these letters. I'll be meeting health officials hopefully in the new year to press them further, but I just wanted to thank you really for helping me make the case, and I think the public meeting was really useful.